Don't download Hotjar Enterprise Feedback and Insights app before watching this. Before you download Hotjar Enterprise Feedback and Insights, here's what most people get wrong. They assume it's just a heatmap tool. At the enterprise level, it's a complete feedback and conversion optimization platform, but only if you use it correctly. Step 1. Define your objectives. Hotjar allows heatmaps, session recordings, surveys, and feedback polls. Most teams start using all features at once without knowing what questions they want answered. Step 2. Analyze behavior strategically. Heatmaps and recordings can reveal user frustrations and drop-offs, but the surprising truth is many teams collect data without acting on it, which wastes insights. Step 3. Integrate with analytics and marketing platforms. Linking Hotjar to Google Analytics, CRMs, and email marketing tools amplifies its impact, providing context to behavior data. Step 4. Iterate on insights. Hotjar Enterprise enables testing changes based on real user feedback. Teams that consistently implement improvements see higher conversion rates and better user satisfaction. The upside: properly used, Hotjar Enterprise can increase conversion by up to 25% and provide actionable insights into user behavior that traditional analytics miss. So should you download it? Yes, if your team has a plan to collect, analyze, and act on feedback. If you're just curious about heatmaps, the Enterprise Suite may be more than you need. Subscribe for more insights before investing in enterprise optimization tools.